In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and update contacts in Outlook Address Book. First, open Outlook in your web browser. Once you're in your mailbox, we'll move from email to your contacts. On the left-hand navigation bar, look for the people icon, which looks like two silhouettes. Click that to open your address book. If your navigation bar is minimized, hover to expand it and find the people icon there. At the top of the people page, you'll see a search bar. Use this to quickly find the contact you want to update. You can type part of their name or their email address to narrow things down. As you type, Outlook will suggest matches. Choose the correct one from the results. If multiple contacts have similar names, glance at the email or company info in the preview to make sure you've got the right person. Next, click the contact's name to open their profile. This brings up a detailed view with their current information. Take a moment to review what's already stored so you know exactly what needs to change. It's helpful to confirm you're in the right profile before editing, especially if your organization has several people with similar names. In the profile view, select Edit Contact. This opens the editable form where you can make updates. You'll see fields for things like first and last name, job title, company, email addresses, phone numbers, and more. Make the changes you need. Correct spelling, add a new work number, update a title, or include notes that help you remember context for future conversations. Keep entries consistent and clear, and avoid placing information in the wrong field, which can make searching harder later. After you've updated the details, click Save. Saving applies your changes to the contact immediately. If you've made several edits, it's a good idea to double check after saving that everything appears as expected in the contact's profile. You can return to the people list and search again to confirm the updated info displays correctly. The next time you compose an email, Outlook's suggestions will reflect your changes, making it easier to address messages accurately. A few quick tips as you work: keep names and companies formatted the same way across contacts for cleaner sorting. Use the notes section to store context that doesn't fit into standard fields, and update old email addresses rather than creating new duplicate contacts. If you use Outlook across multiple devices, your changes will sync as long as you're signed in with the same account. And that's it. You've successfully edited and updated a contact in the Outlook address book.